Hi guys, welcome. Today we're at Uvita, wonderful place to be. Today we're filming on a 360 camera. So if you take your screen, you can look around, up, down. So behind me, in front of me, side to side, you can see everything that's going on around us. So we're trying a little different format today to help you see the property a little bit differently. Today we're at Bungalows Ballena in Uvita. Awesome place to be. Literally, we're about 200 meters from the Ballena National Park. And today I'm going to walk you through this family-style resort. It is a smaller location of 5 cabinas. It's laid out perfect for family entertainment. So let's come into here, this cabina number 1 here. We've got wonderful woods, natural feeling, just feels awesome. Very clean, tidy units set up for living here, really. You could live in this thing full time. It's more than a vacation, really. So here's the main living area, guys. Take a look around. Remember, you can scan right, left, up, down, whatever you want to do. All right. Don't mind my head. I'm sure it's in the way. Coming in through here is a 2-bedroom. Now, there are 5 of these units that are set up in a 2-bedroom configuration. And I'll stand here in the middle of the room so you can take a look around if you want. Take a peek. And coming into the bathroom, right? I'm going to turn some lights on here for you. There you go. And this one here is set up as a kids' room. We got 3. We're young adults hanging out here. Modestly priced per night. These places stay full. The occupancy in here is about 70%, and they've got a great nightly rate. Depending on the time of the year. This place is always full because of the location, access, and just the layout is just built for everybody to enjoy. Coming over here to this villa here, currently occupied, so we're not going to go inside, but it's the same layout. And today we can see the little kids play area. If the kids want to play while you're up here hanging out on the deck, perfect. Just relaxing in the summer sun here in Costa Rica. So back through the parking area we go to the office. Ahead of me, behind you, if you're looking at me, to this awesome pool area. Look at that. Jacuzzi area, waterfall. Notice down below here we've got the benches so you can sit here at the pool and have a cocktail, relax, talk to family and friends. And we've got 2 ranchos, one over here and one over to the right or left, depending on what your access is today. They both have barbecue grills in them. So you could be sitting here, your family, friends in the pool, kids over on one side playing in the jungle gym, barbecuing your steaks, chicken, fish, whatever you're into, right guys? So I'm going to take a quick cruise over here. The hotel is currently booked, so I don't want to disturb too many people. So I'm going to make a quick little run at this without causing too much havoc. Right? So coming over here, guys, we got the other 3 bungalow set up in here. Okay. And we'll have to go back around here, heading out. Got these going on like that, right? Alright guys, of course laundry room's back here in the back side of the office. Essentially this is the layout today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks again, guys, and stay tuned later for some more 360 action. This is Sean Ferguson. That's a wrap.